Welcome to ksagafoor. Now I am talking about shadow text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Firstly, select type tool, then type shadow effect in Illustrator. Just the selection tool, move it, change the font, whatever you want. You can use, I'm using this bold text, and you can change size whatever you like. I'm using 60. Okay, then right button, create outline, then go to object, then compound path make, then fill the color. I'm using the 90% of the black. Then go to appearance, then again add new fill, up and change to, and use another color. Okay, and then effect, restore, transform, then move horizontal using -2, 2, then preview on. Okay, then object, expand appearance, then right button, ungroup, then blend option, make. Okay, then blend tool, you can use specified steps, specified distance, specified steps. Here is the option, orientation options, align to page, align to path, smooth color. You can, I'm using the smooth color. Okay, then isolate selected object, then select the down object, then change the color to white, and opacity here make 0. The shadow effect is ready. You can move, you can change whatever you like. You can change to here, you can change scale. I hope you understand to make shadow effect text in Adobe Illustrator. If you have any doubt or clarification, please comment below the video. If you are not subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.